In this video, I will discuss about pass statement in the Python. Pass statement used as a null statement means it does nothing. The reason why you need to use a pass statement in the Python is it acts as a placeholder for your future code and it creates the empty code blocks and also to avoid the syntax error during the development. Now let's look at the examples for the pass statement in the Python. Here I will create a new Python file as 07 pass statement.py. I will go to the continuous statement and simply I will copy this code. Then I will come back to our newly created Python file. And I will add the code here. So here I will add the comment as pass statement. Then in the line number 4, I will simply add the pass statement. So if I run this program, it should print the output from 1 to 9 without any issues. So let's quickly run this program. Here I will say Python 3 followed by the Python file. If you see the output here, so we are able to print the numbers from 1 to 9 and also last print statement also getting executed. So this is how we can use the pass statement in the if condition. Now let's write one very simple function above. So I will discuss about functions in the next video in detail. No need to worry about it. So by using a def, I am creating one function. We will see how to use the pass in the function also. Here I am giving the function name as create banking transaction. So that's it. Now I don't know the implementation, how to create the banking transaction. So that's the reason I will pass the statement as pass here. So right now I don't know the implementation. I will do the implementation later. In that case, you can use the something like this as a placeholder, and I will call this method inside the if condition here. So if I run the program, our program will work fine without any issues. It will print the output from 1 to 9 without any issues. If you see the output here, so it is printing from 1 to 9 and also it is running our print function from the line number 10 also. So this is how we can use the pass statement within the if condition or within the functions also in the Python. One-liner summary for the break statement, continue statement and pass statement is: break statement used to terminate the for loop immediately. Continue statement is used to skip the current iteration. Pass statement, it acts as a placeholder with no operation.